Welcome to The Future Files, where we uncover the possibilities that lie ahead. In today's episode, we delve into the future of energy and explore the advancements in renewable energy technologies, smart grids, and energy storage solutions that hold the key to a sustainable future. Join me as we unravel the innovations that will transform the way we generate, distribute, and consume energy. Get ready to witness the power of renewable sources and the potential of grid innovations. Segment 1. The Rise of Renewable Energy. The world is shifting towards a greener future, driven by the urgent need to combat climate change. Renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, hydro, and geothermal power are gaining momentum. We explore the latest advancements in these technologies and how they are becoming increasingly efficient and cost-effective, paving the way for a clean energy revolution. Segment 2. Smart grids, transforming energy distribution. Our energy infrastructure is evolving to meet the demands of the future. Smart grids are revolutionizing energy distribution by incorporating advanced sensors, automation, and real-time data analysis. These intelligent systems enhance grid reliability, enable efficient energy management, and empower consumers to actively participate in the energy ecosystem. Segment 3. Energy storage solutions, unlocking renewable potential. One of the key challenges with renewable energy sources is intermittency. Energy storage solutions play a vital role in bridging this gap. We explore cutting-edge technologies such as advanced batteries, pumped hydro storage, and emerging solutions like hydrogen storage. These innovations enable us to capture and store renewable energy for use during times of high demand or when renewable sources are not readily available. Segment 4. The future of transportation and electrification. The future of energy goes beyond stationary power. Transportation is a significant contributor to carbon emissions, and electrification offers a sustainable solution. We delve into the advancements in electric vehicles, charging infrastructure, and sustainable transportation systems. By transitioning to electric mobility, we can reduce greenhouse gas emissions and create a more sustainable future. Segment 5. Empowering communities. Decentralized energy systems. The future of energy is not limited to large-scale systems. Decentralized energy systems empower communities to generate and manage their own energy locally. We explore the concept of microgrids, community solar initiatives, and peer-to-peer energy-sharing platforms. These innovations promote energy independence, resilience, and localized sustainability. As we conclude our exploration of the future of energy, we stand witness to a transformative era. Renewable sources, smart grids, and energy storage solutions hold the promise of a sustainable future. By embracing these advancements, we can reduce our carbon footprint, increase energy efficiency, and create a more resilient energy infrastructure. Together, let us embark on this journey towards a cleaner, greener, and brighter future. Thank you for joining us on this captivating episode of The Future Files. If you found this video informative and inspiring, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more fascinating content on the future of science and technology. Together, we can shape a sustainable tomorrow.